Sony WF-1000XM5 review. Are these the best wireless earbuds of 2025? Hey everyone, welcome back to the Buyer's Guide. Today we're reviewing the latest Sony WF-1000XM5. It's packed with industry-leading noise cancellation, crystal clear sound, and AI-enhanced call quality. Are they the best wireless earbuds of 2025? Let's find out. Key points. Smaller, lighter design, more compact than XM4s. Premium look and feel, glossy finish, comfortable fit. What's in the box? Charging case, USB-C cable, multiple ear tips. Key points. 8.4mm drivers for rich bass and crisp highs. LDAC support for high-resolution audio. Adaptive sound control. AI learns your environment for personalized noise cancellation. Immersive spatial sound. Key points. Best-in-class noise cancellation with AI-driven processor. Transparency mode, hear surroundings without removing earbuds. Up to 8 hours battery life plus 24 hours with case. Quick charge, 3 minutes, 1 hour playtime. Connectivity. Key points. AI-enhanced call quality filters background noise. Multipoint Bluetooth connection. Seamlessly switch between devices. Google Assistant and Alexa integration for hands-free control. And price. Pros. Best noise cancellation and true wireless earbuds. Excellent sound and call quality. Comfortable and lightweight. Cons? Pricey, $299, premium experience. No major leap from XM4. So is the Sony WF-1000XM5 the best wireless earbud of the year? Let us know in the comments, and if you're interested in buying, check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.